Okay, here is a slick utility move for separating the even position cards from the odd position cards. Now, this situation is very common in mathematical card magic, that perhaps at the end you're hoping to pull apart the even and odd position cards, but at the same time it's kind of nice to hide the fact that you're actually doing that. Now, the most common way of doing it is to do like a left-right shuffle. Okay, left, right, left, right. So on the left, you get all the odd position cards. On the right, you get all the even. Well, that's pretty transparent, okay? But I've discovered a really cool way of accomplishing the same thing, but very much hiding what it is you're doing. And that'll make it more difficult for the spectator to kind of work backwards for the routine that you just shared with them. Okay, so as you can see, I have ace through queen, so we have an even number of cards here, okay? So what you do to separate the even position cards from the odd position cards, you just hold the cards in what's called biddle grip, and we're going to do kind of a Klondike shuffle of sorts. What you need to do is you just pull off the top card, single card, right? And then you Klondike pairs to the table from that point on, left, right. So Klondike pairs to the table until they're all set on the table. Okay, and this is guaranteed to separate the odd position cards, in particular on the left, from the even position cards. Okay, and if you don't quite see how that happened, then go ahead and do this whole utility move with the cards face up. And then you'll be able to see, oh, I see exactly what's happening here. But it is a wonderful way to obscure the fact that you're just simply separating the cards into odd and even piles relative to their original position parity. So I thought I would share this with you. It's very much a utility move that may come in handy in your mathematical card routines. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.